How to hide Instagram notes from someone. So, a new feature in Instagram has been added, and it's the Instagram notes. This can be seen on the messages page on the contact list on the top part. And notes is just basically a thought on the top of the user's profile picture, and it can be seen by all the followers of the user by default. But there is an option to limit the people who can see your note. To do that, we need to utilize the close friends option. So in your Instagram app, tap the message icon on the top right. Once you're here, you'll be able to see your profile picture with a cloud at the top with the words share a thought. Tap on that cloud and it should bring up your keyboard. Just type in anything you want to display on your note. But before sharing it, tap the shared with followers you follow back button displayed on top of your keyboard. Select close friends, and to select the people you have in your close friends list, just tap close friends again. Here you can just select and deselect all the people that you want to see your Instagram notes. After selecting everyone you like, tap done, then done again, and just tap share on the top right. So that is how to hide Instagram notes from someone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.